Welcome to Synthetix, a decentralized finance platform offering unique access to synthetic assets and derivatives trading. As a leading DeFi solution, Synthetix enables users to interact with a variety of assets through blockchain technology without holding the actual underlying assets. This platform creates synthetic versions of currencies, commodities, and even equities, all powered by the Ethereum blockchain. In this video, I'll take you step by step through the platform's offerings. First, we'll dive into the Synthetix dashboard, which is the hub of all activity. Here, you can view available synthetic assets, known as synths, including SUSD, SBDC, and SETH, which track real-world asset values. The dashboard also showcases staking options, where you can lock SNX tokens to mint synths and earn rewards. By staking SNX, you not only earn rewards, but also play a role in securing the Synthetix network. Next, we'll explore trading within the Synthetix ecosystem. The platform offers a decentralized exchange, DX, where users can trade seamlessly, with zero slippage and infinite liquidity. This unique trading experience is enabled by the innovative peer-to-contract trading model. For staking enthusiasts, I'll walk you through the staking portal. You'll learn how to stake SNX tokens, claim weekly rewards, and reinvest your earnings to optimize your staking strategy. I'll also explain the collateralization ratio and how to maintain it to avoid liquidation. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. We'll finish with a deep dive into governance and community participation. Synthetix is powered by a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, where users can vote on key proposals and influence the protocol's future. If you're ready to dive into the exciting world of decentralized finance and synthetic assets, Synthetix is your gateway. Make sure to sign up using the link in the description to get your bonus and kickstart your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more DeFi guides. And if you found this video helpful, give it a like,